Today I am reviewing the Ooni Karu 12 multi-fuel outdoor pizza oven. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've ever dreamed of making restaurant-quality, wood-fired pizza at home, the Ooni Karu 12 multi-fuel outdoor pizza oven might just be the ultimate backyard upgrade. This compact yet incredibly powerful pizza oven is designed for anyone who wants authentic, stone-baked pizza in just 60 seconds, without needing a full brick oven setup. Let's start with what makes this oven so special: heat and performance. The Ooni Karu 12 can reach a blazing 950 degrees Fahrenheit, which is exactly the kind of temperature you need to achieve that perfect Neapolitan-style pizza. We're talking about crispy, slightly charred crusts on the outside, while staying soft and airy on the inside. And the best part? Once it's preheated, which takes only about 15 minutes, you can cook a full 12-inch pizza in just 1 minute. That means you can serve multiple pizzas quickly, making it perfect for parties, family gatherings, or just a fun weekend cooking session. One of the biggest advantages of the Karu 12 is its multi-fuel capability. Right out of the box, you can use wood or charcoal, giving you that rich, smoky flavor that traditional pizza ovens are known for. The included custom-designed fuel tray maximizes airflow, helping the oven maintain those extremely high temperatures while reducing ash buildup. This makes the whole cooking process cleaner and more efficient. And if you prefer convenience, you also have the option to switch to gas by using the compatible gas burner attachment, which is sold separately. This flexibility means you can choose between authentic wood-fired flavor or quick and easy gas cooking, depending on your mood or situation. Now let's talk about portability, because this is where the Ooni Karu 12 really stands out. Weighing just 26.4 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight for something this powerful. The legs fold down, and the chimney is removable, making it easy to pack up and take with you. Whether you're heading to a friend's backyard, going camping, or even tailgating, this oven gives you the freedom to cook incredible pizza almost anywhere. The build quality is also impressive. It feels sturdy, well-designed, and built to handle high temperatures without any issues. The included pizza stone plays a crucial role in delivering that authentic cooking experience, evenly distributing heat and ensuring your pizza cooks perfectly every time. But here's something many people don't realize. The Ooni Karu 12 isn't just for pizza. This oven is actually incredibly versatile. You can use it to cook steaks, fish, vegetables, and more, especially when paired with cast iron cookware. So it's not just a pizza oven. It's a full outdoor cooking solution that can elevate your entire grilling experience. Another thing worth mentioning is how fun and interactive this oven makes cooking. Instead of just ordering takeout, you get to experiment with different doughs, toppings, and techniques. It turns cooking into an experience, something you can share with friends and family. Whether you're trying to master the art of being a pizzaiolo or just want to enjoy homemade pizza, the Karu 12 makes it exciting and rewarding. Of course, like any product, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. There's a slight learning curve when it comes to managing temperature, especially when using wood or charcoal. You'll need to rotate your pizza and keep an eye on it since it cooks so quickly. But honestly, that's part of the charm. It gives you that authentic, hands-on cooking experience. Overall, the Ooni Karu 12 multi-fuel outdoor pizza oven is an outstanding choice for anyone who wants high-performance cooking, portability, and versatility in one compact package. It delivers incredible heat, fast cooking times, and authentic flavor, all while being easy to transport and use. If you're serious about making real, wood-fired pizza at home, or you just want to upgrade your outdoor cooking game, this oven is easily one of the best investments you can make. It's not just a product. It's an experience that brings people together over amazing food.